Good afternoon, guys. How are you guys doing? Hopefully, everyone is doing well. Now, coming to you guys again with another DIY. um, these are toilet bombs. Yes, toilet bombs. I know you're wondering what is a toilet bomb. Well, toilet bomb is more. It's not a bath bomb, but similar to a bath bomb, but not a bath bomb because it's not going in the bathtub, it's going in the toilet. And it's going in the toilet to disinfect the toilet and to clean as well. So it's like a little cleaning agent, so to speak. What you're going to need a cup, 1 cup, and 1/3 cup of baking soda, and then 1/2 cup of citric acid. You can use essential oils of your choice. I used orange. I used signature chi, and the signature chi is an oil with eucalyptus, peppermint, and menthol. And I used signature zen, which is lavender oil and citrus sweet orange oil. And then I added a little plumeria. I guess that's how you say that, plumeria. um, I added that to it as well, just to kind of give it a different scent. But like I said, you can add whichever fragrances you want to add, totally up to you. And I put 30 drops of each fragrance into a spray bottle with a tablespoon of water and some food coloring. You can use food coloring, don't have to use food coloring, totally up to you. And I'm going to try to put them in these little honeycomb molds because they're small, so we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. We're going to mix everything up. Okay, we've added the baking soda. Now we're going to add the citric acid. You want to get a whisk to whisk all the clumps out. And you want to use a mask because citric acid definitely is a fine powder. And it just might irritate you. And if you don't have a whisk, you can always put this through a sifter just to get all the clumps out as well. Alright. Oh. A little dusty. Okay. Now this is my first time trying this, so it's either gonna be a hit or miss, an epic fail, or we gonna get something here. Okay. So we just spray it until it gets like a wet sand consistency. If you ever made bath bombs, you know that consistency. So Y'all, it almost fell in the mix. Sorry about that. And it smells good. These fragrances or oil I use smells amazing. Almost getting that consistency. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Try to mix this up together. And the recipe was very simple, very easy to use. Well, yeah. And still, oh, still powdery. I'm just gonna keep spraying until we get the consistency that we need. Now we did 1 tablespoon of water, and it's almost, let's see, the bowl, no more wetness. See, it's getting there, but and you don't have to add color if you don't want. This is just my choice. Alright, that's a little better. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack it into the molds, and we will be right back. Alright guys, I'm just packing it into the molds, and this is gonna have to dry overnight, so we're gonna see how these come out. Y'all know I'm gonna do a demo and a unmolding it when they dry up and all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about the camera falling on y'all, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will leave the recipe in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. Feel free to make them. Let me know how yours come out. If you added anything different, any suggestions, whatever, talk to me, y'all. Trust me, I can take constructive criticism. I'm always willing to learn things that I do not know. As long as you come respectful, we good. As long as you come respectful, we fine. But hopefully you all have enjoyed this little video. Hopefully you get inspired to make some of these things on your own. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Tell a friend to check out Queen Libra. Till next time. Bye, guys.